Hello, good evening, and welcome, my friends. Tonight I've attempted another bath recording session. Thank you for joining me. As always, please remember it's only ever an experiment. If we've captured voices, fantastic, brilliant. And if they've answered any of my questions, again, fantastic, brilliant. But I can't guarantee that. So let's proceed and play the recording back. The bathwater was recorded on a Nokia 2260 flip phone. Thank you.
Hello once again, my friends. I'm in the bathroom and I'm going to do you a bathwater recording session. So thank you for joining me. Let's hope Spirit are here tonight and we'll come forward and communicate. So first of all, I'll run the shower to wash the bath out, and then we'll run the bath water.
Sometimes I do capture voices from the shower.
So, hello Spirit, this is Paul. I have a couple of questions to put to you tonight, so please, if you can, come forward, draw those, and most of all, answer my questions. I come in peace, love and light. I mean no harm. Well, first thing, please share with me tonight, please. Can you please tell me your name? How many do we have here tonight? Could you please tell me that also? Okay, so I do a lot of these recordings and try and speak to yourselves quite often. Does this in any way impact my life, my health? And of course we don't know unless you tell us who we're talking to when we do this. So I have to ask, is there anyone there that's trying to harm me? And the reason I ask is because I've been feeling quite ill lately. And I know there's a lot of winter stuff going around. But to me it seems a little bit more something maybe that's coming from your direction. I don't know. Could you answer that question, please? Does this in some way drain too much energy from me? I have to ask. anyone who works with you spirit people. It's just a general question that maybe lots of people would like to know. Thank you. Now, another question I'd like to put to you. Now, I'm asked this quite a lot. In our world, we have some nasty individuals. And, of course, they come over to your side when they pass from here. Now, because they've been and done some serious stuff this side, can you tell the people and myself, are they being punished for their crimes in some way? I mean, we have people who were affected by the late Jimmy Savile, and they really do wish he's rotting in hell. Is he in a dark place? The same as the other ones, are they in a dark environment? Are they being dealt with? Or is it all being forgiven and forgotten as soon as they get to your side? Okay, so I've asked that question on behalf of quite a few people who do talk to me. Not necessarily my views, but the question needed to be asked. Okay, well, as always, I'd like to thank you for your communication, and would also like to ask if you have a message for me or anybody else. Again, once more, I thank you. Love and light to you all. Thank you to everyone who watches my videos. See you on the next one.